Yeah, 7Layers is an engineering company and also a test organization with several centers throughout the world. And the latest development was that now since January from this year on, 7Layers is a member of the Bureau Veritas group, which is a worldwide provider for testing, inspection and certification services. And some customers were very surprised for that step, but we consider that as a strategic step because Bureau Veritas is well established in the world, a huge company, and we bring engineering experience in this environment. Well, before I come to answer these questions, I will explain a little bit more what 7Layers is doing. At first, we give services to customers which are end-user product manufacturers, technology providers like chipset manufacturers, module manufacturers, and today more and more customers who want just to implement wireless technologies in their products. We have test centers in several locations in the world, in China, in Korea, in Japan, in Asia, and we are also in Europe, where we founded the company, and also in the US. So we cover all the important wireless technologies, cellular technologies, especially the GSM family technologies up to LTE, and other wireless technologies like Bluetooth, for instance, or wireless LAN technologies. And we do also certification according to requests of PDCRB, GCF, and so on. And we are able also to handle in 200 countries in the world the regulatory approvals. Yeah, we have beside our test house a part which is called Systems House. That is where we develop everything what is needed to do all these testings. So we do at first engineering services in this field, and also we develop our own software which could be used. This is the Interlab software to support all the steps in these processes, starting from requirements management up to the final reporting of these things. And also, in addition, we have developed ourselves test products which are not available in the market so far, so that we can cover then what is needed really in the market. I'm not only considering the M2M industry, I'm considering the world connecting devices today. And you can just see examples, smart homes, smart metering, up to connected cars and so on. And all the time when new technologies come up, we are very early involved, or have been very early involved in all of these new technologies. And that is our natural work. Always on the way to be the first one to do a step in new directions. So far there is no certification program available what to do, and there are certain risks in these new technologies. Just imagine when two computers, two machines just communicate to each other and there is a mistake, what could happen? And that is something we are able to find out, to make a risk analysis, and then to help to find the right solution for that. End-to-end testing itself is a very new discipline, more or less, because there are no risks in there, and all this has to be covered. And 7Layers is working in standardization groups worldwide, and we do consulting work for different applications and different manufacturers at the moment. And so that is something we can show already. A lot of projects we have done, and certainly we would drive also this in a direction that more standardization will be available. I would like to mention something which I feel is very important to mention, is that we are at the moment in a transition period worldwide. We are coming from the industry society, that means products, and in the information society we are talking about services, and this transition from connecting the products now stepping into the service world, that is a general way we are going. So we are also working on not only working on the requirements of the products, we are also working now in the future more and more on the requirements for these services. So I mentioned that already as a strategic fit between 7Layers coming from the connectivity world, the wireless world, because everything, almost all of what will be connected in the future will be done wireless. And on the other side, Bureau Veritas is placed worldwide in different industries, and in all these industries everything will be connected, and then we are stepping what we are calling in a smarter world, and we are standing for testing for the smarter world.